Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to share with you step by step on how you can actually have completely way to set up a free internet radio and streaming station that you don't have to pay, because yes, there are sites like the very good sites like radio.co that if you're not done minding like paying, for example, with a free trial for Radio.co, you can actually like try it out and it's very like clear and effective on how you can do it. But if you want to do it for free, what you're gonna do first is that you have to download this Play It Live. So Live Assist an automated radio playout system. And I already downloaded, and you see right here how it actually like looks like. So you see the time here, the voice track, also drag and drop tracks here. So if you want to do it, there are like also tutorials how you can use it. So this is what the software we're gonna actually use. So in a moment when we have and download the full software, then the next thing is that we're gonna do is that we have to then use the host streaming information. And that means is that we have to go to kind of like the internet broadcaster, right? When we're gonna go to manage internet broadcast, and you want to add a stream. So this is something that we have to do. So when I'm going to add a stream, what we're gonna do then is that we are going to add a new stream for ourselves, and what you can use is called Caster SM. So that's something that we're gonna do. So we're gonna go to Caster FM. Okay, and right here you're gonna have a free streaming or a pro streaming, and what we're gonna do is that we're gonna choose a free streaming, and we're gonna register here. So we're gonna go like this. Okay, I agree. Create account. Okay, now we are going to verify the email address. And now we are going to verify it. So it should come to your email. And look at that. So we actually have right here our own like Caster FM cloud. And what we're going to do is like very simple, is that we are going to set up our own name, and we have to like add a channel name. So this is going to be my radio station, and you're gonna have the channel country, where you're from. Like, let me down below in the comments where are you from. Okay, then we're gonna have the time zone. So this is going to be European. Okay, then language, we can go English, and genre I can go, you can like choose here. I will go with, let's say, a music or business. So let's go with the music. And when I'm going to have the music right here, and you're gonna fill everything out, you're gonna then click here, create a channel. And when you are going to click here, create a channel, then you're gonna click here to configure your website. And then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna have the subdomain here. So this can be like my radio 12345. Let's say is my radio. Station name is going to be like the same thing. Okay, and then you have to choose like information about your station. My station is about the best music that you can listen to. There will be a lot of music about classical Beethoven. Okay. Okay, so this is how we have it, and also we're gonna have the time zone here. So we're gonna choose again Europe here. Okay, and then we're gonna have the logo. So this is something that you can also upload here. So let's just like choose here some kind of like the image. And up, I got the flower here. And voila, we got it. So in a moment when you're gonna fill everything and you're gonna choose it, you're gonna click submit. Okay. Okay, must like, okay, so wait a second, I'm going to choose ChatGPT. So generate me 500 text about my new radio station. Okay. All right. So we got it here, and you can see that we have like all the important things. So now what you're gonna do is that when you're gonna fill everything out, we're gonna have also to home page, and this is where you're gonna have again like the information about. I will just paste it here, but this is where you want to have like homepage text, and then you're gonna have also the contact info, where you're gonna have info like Telegram, or you can add here, for example, some information here. So I will add here the email, let's say like that, and you're gonna click submit, right? And in the moment when you're gonna have it, where you're gonna go, then you're gonna go to dashboard, and in a dashboard you are going to find like all the streaming server here. So you want to click here, start a server, success, okay. And in the moment when you're gonna have it, you're gonna see right here that it's online, and that's like very good. So when it's online, okay, and now, when you have it, so what we added is like we created our own Castor FM Cloud account. Now what you want to do is that when you are going to be here, you want to go to tools, and you want to go to internet broadcast, and you want to click add a stream. So now what we're going to do is that we are going to actually find here the Castor FM Cloud, and what you're going to do is that you're just going to paste it, and right here you're going to have like a server address, and then you're gonna have also the server port. So okay, then you're gonna have the username, username is source. Okay, then you're gonna broadcast password. Okay, and then you're gonna have the mount here. Okay, and as you can see, we got that. So now what you can do is write also a name here, so it can be like Castor stream. Format is going to be like MP3. Then you can go like, for example, with 96 kilobytes per second, and then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna choose the stereo and 44, and then you're gonna press here okay. You can also like private stream here if you want, or you can like say audio to file, you can also do that. So, and we're gonna have you to choose the audio format right here. Server port, audio format, MP3. Okay, so as you can see, we have right now our own streaming here. So what you're gonna do then is that when you have it, and when you like add it there, then you can actually like start streaming, right? Okay, we can like start all streams, yes. And as you can see, look at that, we are streaming right now. Now, when we're gonna look here, of course, you need to like check out the file here, the manage area, where you can like play, and when you can have like voice track, where you can like drag and drop, and also you're gonna have like tools here for that you can like check it. I can make like full tutorial on it on how you can use it. And this is how it works. So this is what you can actually do. And I can also come here. I just want to show you the tools, internet broadcast. I can change the source. So I can go like this and look at that. We got it, right? Or like you're going to choose here the microphone. So then you have the microphone, and right now it actually works. And you can what the URL to use, then people can like listen to that. And you can like drop the tracks here, and you can like play the tracks, and there's like plenty of things that you can do. So that's the whole work. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.